Are you looking for a simple and reliable way to import your MBOX files directly into your Hotmail or Outlook.com account? Welcome to WholeClear MBOX to Hotmail Converter, your effortless solution to transfer MBOX data with complete accuracy and zero data loss. Key features of MBOX to Hotmail Conversion Tool. Complete transfer ensures all emails and folders are accurately moved. Create new folder for MBOX files. Keeps your imported emails organized. Maintain folder structure. Preserves the original hierarchy of your MBOX files. Batch import facility. Import multiple MBOX files at once to save time. How to import MBOX messages into Outlook.com. Step 1. Download and install WholeClear MBOX to Hotmail. Outlook.com Converter. Step 2. Choose MBOX file format as the email source. Step 3. Select the folder or file mode and upload your MBOX files. Step 4. Choose Export to Hotmail account. Step 5. Enter your Hotmail account login details and click Authenticate User. Step 6. Select the destination folder in your Outlook.com account or create a new one for your MBOX files. Step 7. Click Upload Now to begin the conversion process. In just a few minutes, your MBOX emails will be successfully imported into your Hotmail account, safely, accurately, and efficiently. WholeClear MBOX to Hotmail Converter, making your email migration effortless and seamless. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.